Hey, glad you're here. I wanted to show you something important today. Did you know testing your smoke detectors is quick and could save lives? Here's how. First, find your smoke detector and look for the test button. Close up of finger pointing to smoke detector button. Press and hold it. If you hear a loud beep, you're good. No sound? It's time to replace the batteries. Insert visual of swapping batteries. Remember, test each detector in your home once a month. It's a small habit that keeps your family safe. Comment below if you need some advice and see if TikTok can help.